Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Airalo pricing explainer. Stepping off a long-haul flight into a bustling foreign airport only to realize you have absolutely zero internet connectivity is an incredibly stressful experience. Historically, your options were terrible. You could stand in a massive, exhausting line at a physical vendor kiosk to buy a local plastic card, or you could keep your home cellular provider's active roaming on, which inevitably leads to a shocking, extortionate phone bill when you return home. Airalo promises to solve this traveling bottleneck by offering digital mobile data packages at a fraction of the cost of traditional carrier roaming. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get your international eSIM or mobile data with Airalo. In this deep pricing review, we're pulling back the curtain on every single tier of the platform to find the absolute best eSIM plans for your specific travel needs. We will conduct a thorough walkthrough of the digital marketplace interface, analyze the structural differences between local, regional, and global options, explore their newly introduced unlimited data tiers, and calculate the exact price to gigabyte value. To understand exactly how the pricing model scales, we need to head straight into the primary marketplace dashboard. When you access the app or website's interface, you are greeted by three main navigation hubs: the local eSIMs menu, the regional eSIMs menu, and the global eSIMs menu. This simple taxonomy defines how the packages are priced and distributed. The fundamental role of the platform is that geographic specificity dictates cost efficiency. The smaller and more targeted your destination zone, the lower the barrier to entry for baseline connectivity. So let's begin by exploring the local eSIMs menu, which represents the most cost-effective tier for single-country itineraries. When you use the central search bar to search a destination like United States, Japan, or the United Kingdom, the interface displays an array of standardized prepaid cards. The baseline entry price across the majority of these major local destinations starts at an incredibly low $4. This opening tier typically grants you 1 GB of high-speed data, but it carries a highly restrictive validity window of 7 days. This option is excellent for weekend getaways or quick layovers, but it offers a poor dollar per gigabyte ratio for longer stays. As you scroll further through the local package options, you will find the sweet spot for standard vacationers, the 30-day data bucket. For instance, in heavily traveled destinations like Japan, a 3 GB plan valid for 7 days costs a flat $8, while a longer 30-day stay unlocks at the 5 GB tier for just $11. If you are traveling to the United States, the platform has heavily prioritized flexible, time-based unlimited data packages, which start around $11.50 for 3 days and scale efficiently. When you analyze these tiers mathematically, you quickly realize that the cost per gigabyte drops dramatically as you buy larger allotments upfront. Purchasing a larger local bundle brings your operational costs down significantly, making it vastly superior to continuously refilling smaller packages. Now let's shift our attention to the multi-destination itineraries by navigating over to the regional eSIMs menu. This functional hub is designed specifically for cross-border travelers who want to avoid the hassle of purchasing a completely separate cellular profile for every individual country they visit. Now, Airalo offers specialized regional buckets for geographic zones including Europe, Asia, Latin America, North America, Africa, and Caribbean islands. The standout option in this tier is the Eurolink regional plan, which blankets over 40 distinct European countries on a single digital profile. If you're taking a rail trip from London to Paris and onward to Berlin, your device will automatically hop across local carriers without a single second of downtime. The pricing for this regional convenience starts around $5 for a basic 1 GB tier, but the best overall value is found in their mid-range buckets such as 5 GB European plan for 30 days, which costs approximately $19.50. By paying a very slight price premium over a standard local plan, you gain massive border cross flexibility. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can use my link down below in the description to get your international mobile data and eSIM with Airalo. It's a fantastic way to log into the interface, browse these exact pricing menus for your upcoming vacation spot, and log in your travel data before you ever leave your house. For world travelers embarking on massive global tours or long-term digital nomad journeys, you will want to select the Global eSIMs menu. This is the highest tier of the marketplace, housing the Discover Global plans, which provides seamless coverage across over 160 countries simultaneously. The standard data-only global pricing starts at $8.50, and this is for a 7-day 1 GB tier. If you require a longer life cycle, the platform features a highly popular 30-day 3 GB for $24. However, the Global Hub is also where Airalo introduces their Premium Discovery Plus plans. While the vast majority of local and regional profiles are strictly data only, the Discover Plus tier integrates full voice, minutes, and traditional SMS text capabilities alongside international mobile data. For example, an entry-level 7-day Discover Plus profile provides 1 GB of data, 10 minutes of calls, and 10 standard text messages for just $9. Well, if we scroll up and just check this out, data, calls, and text, you can see that 1 GB, 10 minutes, 10 SMS for $9. For long-term heavy travelers, their massive global data-only card scales up to a 365-day lifecycle that delivers 20 GB of data, 200 minutes of voice calls, and 200 SMS. And with these, it will help you to keep your international communications entirely unified under a single digital profile. We must also break down a massive structural update to the pricing model. The rollout of unlimited data packages across popular travel hubs. If you're a heavy user who refuses to constantly monitor data metrics, you can tap the unlimited data toggle on select country pages. These packages shift the financial model from a fixed capacity to a time-based duration. For example, a baseline local unlimited package might start around $45 for the global option, where you get unlimited options for 7 days, and 10 days unlimited will cost you $64. Now, while the freedom of unlimited streaming sounds incredibly exciting, you must read the fine print regarding network management. These plans operate on a strict fair use policy. You receive high-speed, unthrottled 4 or 5G data up to a specific daily threshold, typically capped around 3 GB per 24-hour cycle. The moment your device crosses that specific threshold, Airalo's backend system activates network throttling, thus slowing your connection speeds down significantly for the remainder of the calendar day until the system resets at midnight. If you are simply using maps, messaging, and basic web browsing, you will likely never notice it. But for high-volume video editors or live streamers, this hidden constraint makes large fixed data plans a much more predictable financial option. To maximize your savings, you must also utilize the built-in Airalo loyalty program, and this is completely automated within the checkout interface. The moment you purchase your first Steam profile, you are inducted into the Traveler tier, which rewards you with a 5% cashback credit on your transaction. This credit is paid out in a proprietary digital currency called Air Money, which accumulates directly inside your app wallet. As your lifetime spending on the platform grows, your status escalates. Reaching $20 of total spend promotes you to Silver Travel with 6% cashback, $70 elevates you to Gold Traveler with 7% cashback, and crossing the $200 lifetime threshold unlocks the Platinum Traveler tier, granting you a permanent 10% cashback reward on every single future data package you buy. These loyalty points can be applied instantly during checkout to slash the real-world cost of your next plan. To summarize this entire pricing breakdown, Airalo provides an exceptional granular, fair, and affordable marketplace that allows travelers to pay exclusively for what they actually need. If you are a light to moderate data user who relies on internet connectivity for essential travel mechanics like navigation, communication and banking, their local plans starting at $4 offer an unbeatable return on investment. The ability to seamlessly set up to regional coverage for multi-border trips adds a level of logistical convenience that physical SIM cards simply cannot replicate. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get your international eSIM and mobile data with Airalo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.